This past January, I was given the opportunity to visit Space Camp and participate in the Advanced Space Academy program through my local 4-H group. It was a great experience and I really enjoyed the trip, so I made some videos to summarize and reminisce. On Tuesday, I watched other people go to fake space. Thoughts from Playsales. Tuesday, learning time. After watching people go up on the shuttle, I got a chance to myself, learning how to perform an EVA or extravehicular activity. I got to go up on the Canadarm, which looks like this in space, but this at Space Camp. My partner in performing the EVA latched onto a hook and floated around in a simulation of weightlessness. We learned the general process of retrieving a prop satellite and changing out its dishes, which involved a lot of buttons and sliding around. After we'd learned how to, we all suited up in our fancy schmancy flight suits and actually performed the first 1-hour mission. After the mission, we went to Area 51 once again and climbed a rock wall, with fellow campers as the only thing between us and falling 50 feet. After that, we headed back to the museum to learn about the Apollo missions and a successful landing on the moon. Fun fact, the Apollo program's goals was one of the few things that the US succeeded at before Russia, landing on the moon. We then learned things in a dark room, like where the panels were on the shuttle, and how they filtered water. We didn't do so well in our attempt to take lemonade to a pH of 7 using the materials at hand, which included sand, charcoal, ammonium pellets, and coffee filters. One brave camper did find it in himself to compose a speech, which he read to the rest of the room.
And that means I have to win.
After that, we got to design a rocket in teams. The goal was to shoot into the air, then safely deposit an egg to the ground with the limited parts we had available. The first few sessions were about designing and building, the next about testing our designs. Following that, we once again retired to the HAB units, only to awake again the next day. Until then, bye-bye.
You know where all they are?